Hello everyone, my name is Audrey. I'm 5 years old. Today, I would like to share the story rhyme with you. The apple up in the apple tree, high off the ground. I see an apple so big and round. I climb up the tree and hold on tight. I pick the apple and take a big bite. So good. My next story rhyme is right hand and left hand. This is my right hand, I raise it up high. This is my left hand, I touch the skies. Right hand, left hand, roll them around. Left hand, pound, pound, pound. Thank you.
Your voice